and welcome. This is Aiden. Today, we are delving into the wonders of Miira-Cell Plus, a unique blend of nature gifts, each selected for their remarkable health benefits. Let's uncover the secrets behind each ingredient and the incredible benefits they offer. Every sachet of Miira-Cell Plus is a symphony of nature gift. Here is what makes it special. Apple stem cell. These stem cells are the cell to skin rejuvenation. They help to protect your skin cell from aging and environmental damage, promoting a youthful appearance. Soursop juice powder. This exotic food is not just delicious. It is a powerhouse of antioxidant. It supports your immune system and even have anti-inflammatory properties. Kiwi juice powder. Rich in vitamin C and E, kiwi is a natural skin enhancer, helping to maintain skin firmness and protect against UV damage. Ascorbic acid, our body's protector against oxidative stress. Ascorbic acid boosts your collagen production, crucial for skin health and immune system. Pomegranate extract, popular for its heart health benefits. Pomegranate is loaded with antioxidants, helping to reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation. AFA. This blue-green algae is a nutritious powerhouse, providing a spectrum of vitamins and minerals, enhancing overall vitality and wellness. Aquamine. Sourced from red algae, aquamine is rich in calcium, magnesium, and 72 other trace minerals, supporting bone density and joint health. Bee propolis, a natural immune booster. Propolis is known for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Goji berry, a traditional symbol of longevity. Goji berry improve energy levels, overall vitality, and they are great for skin health due to their antioxidant content. Ashwagandha extract. This ancient herb is an adaptogen, helping your body manage stress, balance hormones, and improve brain function. Blueberry extract, excellent for eye health. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants that protect your vision and improve night vision. Astaxanthin, a superior antioxidant, especially beneficial for skin health, reduces signs of aging and support eye health. Salmon ovary peptide, a unique ingredient known for its skin rejuvenating properties. It helps in maintaining skin elasticity and moisture. Now, let's connect these incredible ingredients to the 8 key benefits of Miira-Cell Plus. Antioxidant support. Thanks to the ingredients like goji berry and pomegranate extract, Miira-Cell Plus offers comprehensive antioxidant protection, shielding your body from free radical damage. Skin health and rejuvenation. Apple stem cells, salmon ovary peptide, and astaxanthin work together to rejuvenate your skin, enhancing skin elasticity and youthful appearance. Immune system fortification with the power of soursop juice powder, bee propolis, and AFA. Your immune system gets the support it needs to function optimally. Stress management. Ashwagandha extract, a renowned adaptogen, helps in managing stress levels, promoting mental clarity and focus. Eye health. Blueberry extract and astaxanthin are your ally in maintaining healthy vision and protecting your eyes from strain and oxidative damage. Bone and joint care. Aquamine brings a wealth of minerals to support your bone density and joint mobility. Heart health support. Pomegranate extract plays a vital role in heart health, helping in blood circulation and reducing inflammation. Overall vitality. The combination of these ingredients contribute to an overall sense of well-being and energy. Now, this is the best part. How to consume Miira-Cell Plus for optimum health benefits. It's actually simple and effective. Just place a sachet under your tongue and let it dissolve. This sublingual method ensures rapid absorption of these potent ingredients directly into your bloodstream. It is more than just consumption. It is an intimate moment of self-care, embracing the nature healing power in each sachet. To bring out the best in yourself with MIIRACARE Plus, consume 1 sachet in the morning to kickstart your day and to support your body's natural rejuvenation. It is a simple step for optimum health and vitality. MIIRACARE Plus is more than a supplement. It is a commitment to your health. Each sachet is a step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Thank you for joining us on this journey to wellness with MIIRACARE Plus.